Okay, so I got a tutorial on how to use JavaScripts in Earth 2. Now I'm using Mihai's scripts to help with this tutorial, and before I get started, I want to say I'm also an idiot again because his property export script never worked, even though I said it does work. Because he integrated his property export into his profile upgrader script, so it was just never working in the background, and I just never noticed. So I'll have to update Mihai on that. So first, what you want to do is you want to go to the Chrome Web Store and get an extension called TamperMonkey. Now, Microsoft Edge allows you to install Chrome extensions. So if you're on Microsoft Edge, you'll be able to get this. Just hit Add to Chrome, Add Extension, and it'll install. And in a little bit, here we are. So in Microsoft Edge, it'll just show up right next to here. In Chrome, it's this little puzzle piece icon. You click it, and then you click on TamperMonkey. You'll have this little pop-up. Hit Create New Script. This is where you import one of the scripts. So you'll want to delete this and have it blank. Then you'll want to go to Mihai's GitHub. This is the list of all of his scripts. If they're more than a month old, they don't work. I thought his property export worked, but that's just him integrating that into his profile upgrader and me not knowing it. So what you'll want to do is hit code, download zip. This will download all the scripts to your computer. Now I've already downloaded it once, and I deleted the ones that are more than a month old. So they're just right here. Go back to the tab with your blank user script program, and we're just going to install the profile upgrader because that's the one. There was a user I was trying to help with, and he had problems using the property export, and I didn't realize the property export never worked. So I'm actually going to delete that out of this folder. So for this user I'm doing this for, and for anyone watching, you can do this with any of the scripts I have here, but I'm going to do it with the profile page upgrader. I'm doing it with the English version because Mihai also made a Korean version. So you right click and you hit open with, and you open it to Notepad. What this will do is just give you the straight up script, right click it, select all, right click, copy. Go over to your blank script, right click and paste it. Now you don't do anything else other than file and save. Then you have your list here. If you want to add a second one, you just hit the plus. So now what you'll want to do is after this is in green and you have it installed to TamperMonkey, go over to Earth 2, sign in. It didn't keep me automatically logged in. Great. Come on. There we go. Now with this profile upgrader, it automatically goes into motion once you hit profile. So when it happens, start profile page upgrade, let it load. It's going to change. Now for this user that I'm doing this for, I'm just going to explain this one extension again because I originally made a video going through all the extensions already. So what this extension does, all it does is add a new tile price um, to your net worth. So my net worth for Earth 2 is 13,489, which is in new tile price 13,177. My property value increase is $8,880, which is 192%. This is incorrect because this is saying LIT and stuff like that is also money I put into the game. Glasgow profit, he did this for me because this is actually a script or portion of the script I requested, where all it does is calculate your credit in your transactions page and your new tile net worth. So I have a 219% profit theoretically over my 192. And here's your export properties option. Well, I'm also going to go to the list view because I like the list view better. So here's the export properties. This is what the one user had trouble with because I was dumb thinking that the script for the property export that was more than a month old worked. It's just Mihai was smart enough to include it into his profile upgrader so he didn't have to continue to re-update multiple scripts at once. So good for him. So if I hit export properties, it'll ask me if I want to download it. I'm going to hit OK, and it'll start downloading. Now on Microsoft Edge, it'll actually say like getting property information or something like that for some reason. So it'll download it, and for some reason it wants me to automatically open it to Notepad through Chrome. Microsoft Edge, it actually lets me select it, but I would not actually like this. I would actually upload this file into Google Drive and open it with Google Sheets. This will give you a better option on viewing your properties. And that's about it.